How to change password on Bilibili. First of all, launch the app on your device. Once the app opens, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner to access your profile settings. Next, choose to log in using your email or phone number. In this example, I will use an email. Type in the email address linked to your account and press Next. You will be taken to the password entry page. Look for the Forget Password option and tap on it to proceed. Then re-enter the email you used to register your account and tap Send to get the verification code. Check your email inbox for the code, type it in the app and tap Next to continue. Now create a new password, confirm it by typing it again and select Reset Password to save the changes. Finally, log in using your email and the new password you just set to access your Bilibili account. Now you know how to change password on Bilibili. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.